Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing out there? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yesterday, Wash did not get a very warm welcome in the markets. The market's like, nah, we like Powell better. And so far overnight, we've ripped up pretty decent. If we look at the 30-minute chart, pretty good rip. If you look at the closing price, actually just look at the range, 64-point range on the S&P and basically 404 points on the NASDAQ. So yeah, white boy, good morning. Good morning, repeat. Atomic. Gary, what's up? What's up? Ready? Benjamin. So we shall see. What is today going to hold? Do we pull back a little bit more or are we going to rip up? You know, we do have the P point. Well, actually, we already hit that P point. Take that back. We already hit the P points because we opened up down here. So we've already hit the P points. Now on the S&P, we do have two consecutive untested point of controls above us. So 75.87.5 and then 76.17. What about NASDAQ? Let's zoom this out. Now NASDAQ, we only have one. That's from 2 days ago. So hey Bob, good morning. Brad, good morning. Mark. Let's see. Ooh, I gotta go push the lucky like button myself. Let's see. I'm gonna be bam. All right, there we go. Got my lucky like button push in. What did I just do with that screen? Dang it, I closed out financial juice. Closed it out. We gotta go look at news. Do we have news out this morning? So let me get this pulled back up again. Got the juice. Hey, Love Nature guy, what's up? What's up? Good morning. Okay, let's go see. What do we have before I get myself wrapped up in any trades? Is there any news? So UK had their rate statement, kept rates exactly the same. No change there. 8:30, we do have the Philly Fed manufacturing index. Unemployment claims. Got your trades done yesterday. Hey, Kim, good morning. And then at 10 a.m., CB leading index. Now, the news at 10 should be low impact. You see the yellow folder. The other ones say medium impact, being orange. So I'm kind of curious. Do we have the Trumpster speaking anywhere? We see the VIX right now is down 5.75%. So keep in mind, the VIX was up more than 10% yesterday, which implies today or Monday will be an update in the market. Tomorrow, the markets are closed. Futures markets will be open half a day. Trump presents Medal of Honor. That's at 4 o'clock. So I don't see Trump slated to speak. I'm just scrolling through that, checking that real quick. Hey, Kevin, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I don't know. I'm hoping we move. So I'm trying to get my bearings. You see, we came right back up. So here's where the volume was built out yesterday on the NASDAQ. We closed way below value or low. Whoop, easy trade right back up towards that area. So, and that was both on the ES and the NASDAQ. The ES, we came right back up towards that value area low. We did not get the point of control yet. So we got to also be mindful that this could be setting up like an ABC pattern on the way up. We'll see how deep the retracement goes. But if this is the low as we're going to go this morning, then ABC targets up here at 76.25. We have a more meaningful pullback. Let's see. Now to get us up here towards that secondary untested point of control, let's just see something real quick. We need a 50% retracement of last night's move. Then if we start coming back up and taking out this high, the target on that pattern would be the secondary untested point of control. That'd be enough to clear out both of them. Looks like it's going to all-time highs. We might. Yesterday was a pretty ugly day in the markets, but we've recovered so far. Now, if we look at the overseas markets, Nikkei last night, Nikkei was up 1,151 points. HSI was down 387 points. DAX right now is down 17, and the CAC is up 15. So we shall see. Hey Eddie, good morning. Chris, good morning. Yeah, good looking out, Chris. Smash that like button if you guys haven't yet. See if we can run that light counter up. Now, just doing a quick little VWAP check. Looks like the NASDAQ just hit VWAP not too long ago. So if we look, pink little double bottom here at the VWAP. I want to see if we can start to overthrow that VWAP to the downside. What about ES? So yes, we were already below the VWAP. So does that VWAP act as resistance above us? Dow Jones, we're way below the VWAP, and RTY, we're decent below the VWAP as well. Market bought the dip. Now it's not really unbelievable, Eddie. That's what the market is gonna do. I mean, normally you get those big moves down, we get a little retracement back up, and the fact that when you look, we're still near all-time highs. Let's see the S&P real quick. The SPY. Look, we're right here. We're still near all-time highs. Even with... So from the closing price yesterday, we're only 2.6% away from all-time highs. So everybody's still conditioned that, hey, I just got to buy it. We're going to go up and make a new high. Because that's what the market's been doing. Yeah, he was a little bit more hawkish. And the Fed in general, we had more people expecting a rate hike by the end of the year. Actually, by September. I don't like that he doesn't like the dot plot. It doesn't sound like he really wants the press conferences unless we have something meaningful to say. So, you know, it's going to shake things up a little bit probably. But we'll see. I hear a little bit of selling. Do you want to keep an eye on the VIX this morning? Let's go look at the dollar real quick. Actually, dollar was rocketing yesterday. Dollar right now is still up 36 cents. So on a daily, dollar's looking pretty strong. Like it may want to go right up here to that 101.04 target. That double bottom target. Target one or bottom one, bottom two. Break the neckline. Bink. So happy golden ratio day. So we'll see if we make it up there. What about the yields? Yields, what are they doing? Yeah, yields went up yesterday, but we're just kind of got this, you know, couple day consolidation down here at these lows. The yields go down, that should be bullish for stocks. Yields start to creep back up, not so good. And if we look at this, if we're able to break through this low right here, we do have it. A to B equals C to D pattern right here. That target would be 4.3. That should be bullish for stocks. And then to play devil's advocate, if we can break above this neckline right here, bottom one, bottom two, which we got to get turning out of this area. If not, then, you know, this is not going to work out very well for this, but 4.7 would be the target on the double bottom pattern. Again, 4.7, that's not going to be good for us. Interest rates on credit cards and everything else will be going up. So yeah, next time in the market, the Fed will be more hawkish. Well, I think it depends on what the task force says. We learned yesterday, everything depends on the task force that they're putting together. So oil's down quite a bit this morning too. So if we look at crude oil, all right, crude oil's already hit our ABC pattern completion. Actually, right here, right at the 127, it's down a little bit this morning. Yesterday was an inverted hammer candle. In the context of a downtrend, that could actually be a little bit of a buy if we start clearing the top of that. We're not there yet. So bias to the upside. Yeah, I was long bias last night. I was getting it. So now I want to see if this ES is going to stay below the view app and if the NASDAQ can get below it. We shall see. Now, if we look at the fibs, let's just look at the fib real quick on the ES. All right, we already mapped out where the ABC pattern would come into play. So from the move up last night, we were able to trace 38%. If that's all we were trace, we start challenging up here. That's going to be a big move up, potentially. How much did NASDAQ retrace? Let's go looky look. NASDAQ has not made it to the 38% retracement yet. But NASDAQ may have a little ABC pattern right here as well. Let's see. So if we come back up here and we break out above the overnight highs, the target would put us somewhere around just shy of the highs from the prior day. Yeah, Bob, it depends. It definitely depends. So, and tomorrow's a holiday, so usually the day before a holiday, the market's bullish. Now, the futures markets will be open till 1 o'clock tomorrow. However, the stock market's going to be closed. So the moves will probably be a little bit slower tomorrow. So be careful if you're trading tomorrow. Yeah, early day for many traders today. Yeah, I'm streaming tomorrow morning. I'll still be trading a little bit if the market's moving. I'm at least going to come on for a little bit and we'll see if there are any opportunities or not. But I'd love to see a quick little blitz down this morning. And then if they're going to buy it up at that point. But again, the market doesn't care about what I'd like to see. So now what about the gamma levels? What do we got over here? Wow, we already hit the 1-day max on the NASDAQ. Huh. Call resistance at 750. And where's GEX1 at? I don't see it. GEX1's all the way down here at 2980. Hey, and the 1-day minimum, holy smokes, is way down here at 29,500. I don't know, we're going up at the moment. No, hey, triple witching, they moved it up because of the holiday. So triple witching should be today. The futures quit trading at 8 something. 8:30, is it Central Time? I think it is. So 9:30. The old contract will cease to move. They're ripping it up right here at the moment. Yeah, markets love inflation. Markets do. And don't forget, are they going to sign the deal today for the MOU? Which contract? It's the June contracts for the S&P, the Dow, the NASDAQ, Russell. All those are going to, the June contract will quit trading today at 9:30, I believe it is. Which, if you're trading that contract, you're asking to get quite a bit of slippage right now because everybody's trading the newer contract, the September contract. If we look at, let's go look at the volume difference real quick. If we look at ES, for instance. Yeah, look, the June contract has only had 20,000 contracts traded overnight, where the September contract is at 181,000. So that June contract's going to quit trading here shortly. Oh yeah, let's go look at SpaceX real quick. How did it end up closing out yesterday? Yeah, SpaceX is down pre-market. Oh no, SpaceX had its first red day bearish engulfing candle. The only problem is we don't have enough context, not enough data where the market has traded to put any real context on this. We did fill that last gap. Are we going to come all the way over here and fill this next gap down here at 160? Yes, Mac just now. Oh man. Yeah, I'm intentionally trying to slow her down this morning. Yeah, test the IPO price. It may. A lot of times when IPOs come out, everyone gets excited about it. It rips and then it slowly fades back down. Yeah, I do think we'll probably see SpaceX minimum hit 173, but probably all the way down here filling the gap. And maybe even all the way down to 135. So you gotta remember, there's a lot of people that have it at 135 that had allocations of it. IBM dropped. Yeah, IBM's down a little bit here in pre-market. What about the pre-markets? Yeah, so pre-market, AUD's up, Intel's up 10%. Wow. Marvel's back up. So again, the same one's really running it. Now today, the Mag 7, we only have 2 of them in the red. That being Microsoft and Google. All the other Mag 7s so far are in the green in pre-market. Let's look at Intel real quick. INTC. Oh yeah, look, Intel's right here at all time, right near all-time highs. Top 1, top 2, and we're about to bust out, it looks like. Hey, Raphael, good morning. $1,000 stock in 2 to 5 years. Intel's your worst purchase ever? I was going to buy Intel when it was going down, then I chickened out. I was wanting it, I was like, maybe not. So I didn't do it. I should have, but look at the VIX down pretty good this morning. All right. You always buy a government bailout. Oh, hey, you know what we got? Did I even say that this morning? I don't feel like I did. Oh, yeah, I did. Yeah, so we have the weekly unemployment claims coming out today. We'll see how that number comes in. So we have about 12 minutes until that news comes out. I mean, you're not wrong by that. It's not really SMH, it's everything that's in SMH, but SMH on the daily, you know, it looks like a double top 1, top 2. We got to come down here and break the neckline, but yesterday was an inside day. So right now we're already above yesterday's high in pre-market. Usually with inside day, we expect a breakout or breakdown from that pattern. Now, quite often with inside day, the first way we break ends up being a trap. So could this be a little spike up to trap it and send it back down? Maybe, but we'll see. Gold's got hammered a little bit as well. So if we look at gold, so this gold's down 102 here at the moment, but gold did not like the new Fed yesterday for sure. Oh, I put it in at $20, didn't fill it. Yeah, if you look at Intel, where is it? So I was gonna buy it somewhere over here. I was like, we started coming down below 20. I'm gonna get it. Got below 20. I was like, maybe not. I got scared. I can't remember why, but I was like, yeah, not. But I was like, what if they're gonna go? What if they're gonna go bye bye? was like, I don't want to lose the money I put in it. So, all right, now we're chirping away. Russian channel is sloping upward. Yeah. Hey, Raj, I really want it. I traded Intel a couple times, but I got out early. Like, I think it was like 3 or 4 times I traded it. And I got out, made money on all of them. And then I was like, I'm gonna really load up when it goes down there. I chickened out. I didn't do it. Yeah, we're gonna have some big gaps out here this morning. So if we were to look at the Qs real quick in pre-market, look at that from where it closed. We closed down here, bink, all the way up here. That's a large gap. We're talking 1.5%, 1.56% gap up. If we were to open right here, right now. S&P is about 0.5% up. Well, RSP 0.41% up. IWM 1.1% up, in the Dow only up 0.15%. So no. I mean, me personally, I think it's better to have a margin account, but that's my preference. If I remember right, they won't even let you short if you have just a cash account. If you're trading stocks. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, Intel is possible double top, or is it going to be a breakout? So I'm going to try to hold off for 8 minutes before I place my first trade. At least 8 minutes. As we do have the Fed coming out. Or not the Fed. We do have news coming out. So I'm going to try to sit on my hands and wait. Hurry up and wait. I don't have to be in a hurry. So, but while we are waiting, you guys want to smash that like button. Let's help defeat the YouTube algorithms. Fed Manufacturing Index, yeah. Estimate 9.8, prior negative 0.4. And hey, are they going to sign the MOU today, or is that going to still happen on Friday? Iran, in a phone call with Kuwaiti counterparts, emphasized the need for dialogue with Gulf countries to resolve existing misunderstandings. Misunderstandings. Yeah, we're launching projectiles at all you guys, but it's just a misunderstanding. So. Oh, no, I agree with you. I think the MOU does favor Iran. It says U.S. to terminate all Iran sanctions under the final deal. U.S. partners to develop $30 billion Iran reconstruction plan. Iran to arrange Hormuz ship passage with no charge for 60 days. See how it says 60 days. What about after 60 days? Yeah, that's garbage. The future administration of Hormuz services. All right, we're still ripping right now. We got 5 minutes till news comes out, so let it rip. Yeah, probably. Probably. I'm just scrolling through the news as I'm waiting for the 8:30 news to hit. So, it should be low impact, but we got Philly Fed weekly unemployment claims here at 8:30. So Philly Fed and unemployment claims. So just under 4 minutes. But that's all good. So I'm just gonna hurry up and wait. Hurries up and waits. Yeah, signed by Trump, not Israel. That's true too. The dollar's trying to pull back here a little bit. Yeah, oil reserves at the lowest point in decades. All right, we do got an icon up here on the NASDAQ. And I'm going to go ahead and switch my bubbles. I don't see any bubbles yet, but we know we'll get some here at some point. So I'm going to switch them over to New York session levels. So 60 on the NASDAQ and 150 over here on the ES. One. Bam. There we go. Let's see if we get any movement with the news. I doubt it's going to be a huge market mover, but just in case. We only have a minute and 17 seconds left, so we don't have to be in a hurry to go jump on everything. Buy oil back at half price. Hey, Thomas, good morning. Oil has been coming down. Oil right now is down another 2%. Well, we're still not at levels we were before the whole conflict started. We got about 40 seconds. And again, I don't think it's going to be a huge market moving event. Now, the ES did get back above the VWAP. ES is back above VWAP. And the NASDAQ had that nice test of VWAP right there. Bottom one came down, overshot it, boom, bottom two, and then whoop, rip right back up. So. But you're sitting on your hand, yeah. All right, here we go. Let's see the news. We got one other small impact, low impact at 10 o'clock as well. So initial jobless claims come in at 226,000. So 1,000 higher than what they forecasted. Philly Fed came in at 10.3. And they're forecasted 9.8, previously negative 0.4. So Philly Fed's a little bit better than they expected. The jobless claims not as good though. So next news item is at 10 o'clock. So I didn't really think it'd move the markets too much. And we didn't. We spiked the high a little bit, but nothing crazy. So I'm not gonna lie, I do want to short this a little bit, but I'm gonna wait for the regression channel to flatten out or start to slope down here a little bit before trying to short it. Yeah, OPEX today because tomorrow's a holiday. That's correct. Futures contract is expiring, so the June contract can no longer be traded. I think it's after 9:30 today. I think it was. I think that was the email I got. Let's go look. Let's go look and see exactly. I thought it was there, but it's not there. Interesting. Hey, good morning, Jesse. Okay, I'll see if I get this pulled up. Hey, Trading Game, good morning. We'll see. We're just gonna rip and rip on up. All right, we had that good push up last night off the low, and then just a big consolidation. We took out the untested value area lows. I did last night was good to me, but I had one of the easier nights because all I had to do was target value area low right here, right there. Value area low right there, or you could do it on the NASDAQ, which would have been right there. We hit it. So anytime we close outside of value, we expect the next 1 to 2 sessions. Well, we're on session 1 now. We've already taken that out. We took it out last night. Now we had that push up, and we just had this upper level consolidation within this move off the low. Yeah, I meant for that video to go out today at 12:30. I messed something up and it went out last night. So that video is supposed to go out today, but oh well. So let's see how they're gonna shake this all out. You get too many people on one side of the trade, the market will definitely punish them, especially on the sell side. So I really want to short this so bad, but I'm trying to be patient today. I'm treating today kind of like a Friday, so I don't want to. Really don't want to get down, even though tomorrow we can still trade. I will be streaming tomorrow, at least for a little bit. We'll see how the market's moving. That'll determine how long I stay on here for. But man, it's so bad I want to short this. I'm gonna wait. Oh man, Jesse, congrats. Good deal. 4K. Oh man. That's nice. I think we're gonna roll over here a little bit. I really want to short it, but I gotta wait for this regression channel to flatten out or start sloping down. Yeah, Jesse's definitely been on a hot streak lately. He's been getting it. So see, we're gonna roll over or not. Or in green. Yeah, it might. We might end green today. I mean, we're up 468 points right now in the NASDAQ. 470. So all the indices are in the green right now. Dow's struggling the most. It's only up 0.45%. Yeah, that's true, Jesse. It's normal when we F out. Get too overconfident. The market says, ha, got him. Bam, smacks you right over the head. Like, where'd that come from? What's going on here? Yeah, my funny futures accounts are really cheap, all in price. It's the cheapest 50K right now. Went off in Paris. The market's not caring about that. All-time high today. All right, will the NQ make new all-time high today? Yes or no? Just put the poll into the chat. Yeah, bad joke. Yeah, today's basically triple witching. Triple witching. So don't be surprised if we just, chop around quite a bit. Look, I said I wanted to short this, but I'm waiting for that regression channel to turn here a little bit. At least flatten out. At least flatten out. I don't need to fight the markets too much. Old high on the NASDAQ. Man, is all the way up here at 3190. 31,090. That's about another, I don't know, 500-600 points. Oh, you got a bunch of options expiring. You have single stock options expiring, stock indices expiring. You have futures contracts rolling over. So in futures, we were trading the June contract. And then starting this Monday, I switched to September because they expire each quarter. Oh, where'd they go? Almost got rid of it. So if you're not used to trading futures, like what in the world are you talking about rollover? But if you go to ES, go to quotes, you see futures contracts trades different months. So we had been trading the June contract, but that contract expires this morning. You can see the volume, 21,000 versus the September contract, which is what I've been trading all week, is 195,000. I'll be trading this contract until the second week of September, and then I'll switch over to the December contract. Oh, hey, Raj, what indicator was that? You used to use on the floor. Stupid market. Yeah, I've had those days. That's what I'm trying to prevent because I really want to short this. So I'm at least waiting. Let's wait until regression channel starts to slope. Oh, floor trader pivots. So it starts sloping sideways, downwards, anything but up. Sloping in any direction but up. Hey, Manuel, good morning. Then I'll look for a nice little trade to smack it. CPR. CPR. What is that? What does that stand for? Hey, Raj, CPR with pivot levels? I'll take it. That's the pivot. I'm assuming. Let's see NQ real quick. Assume the yellow line's the pivot, maybe. Huh. Look at that a little bit more over the weekend. Good looking out repeat. Smash that lucky like button. Again, so far this morning, no trades for me yet. I really want to short it. You guys don't know how bad I'm fighting the urge to short it. Over here, I was waiting for the news. I really want to wait for the regression channel to turn. Now, if we do pop above the regression channel and we get a buy bubble way above the regression channel, I'll smack that. Other than that, I really want to wait for the regression channel to start sloping downward. It's why this could be a range day. Huh. SpaceX and the mangoes are fueling the latest ATF trend. Hey, T-Coop, I did not see it. I still got a mistake I'm trying to clear up today. So I ended up buying an e-foil board yesterday. And it's pretty funny actually. So I ended up buying an e-foil board. I go try to build out. I'm trying to pay for them. Like, I don't want to do that credit card. So I backed out, or so I thought. I go back in, go to shopping cart. I'm like, where'd my order go? All right. So I just built it again. Got the credit card I wanted, bought it. And then realized, yeah, I bought two of them. One with each credit card. So then I was in the process of calling them as they were calling me saying, hey, did you mean to do this? You had two big orders 3 minutes apart. It's like, no. So then they said they're fixing it. They canceled it. And then somebody from their company, so I called them. Someone from their company was calling me. I answered the phone. I was like, hold on. I think the person in sales is calling me right now. So I pick up the phone. I switch over. Like, oh yeah, we'll get it straightened away. Well, then they added another one. Actually, they've added 4 now. So I bought 4 of these. They've refunded one of them. So I still got 3 of them on my credit card, or credit cards. Needless to say, they're not cheap items. So not cheap, but so I still got to call them again after the stream today and see about getting that all straightened out. The one I ended up going with, I'll show you. It's similar to the one I rode in Costa Rica. Similar. So it's gonna be this one. That one right there. And lift. So right now I bought 3 of them. We'll get it straightened out though. I'm only trying to buy one. Yeah, that's what I'm hoping, T-Coop. And so I'm gonna go at some point right in the river. You guys can see the gators. I also have bikes that surf. Hey, Raj, I haven't seen that. I'm hoping to take it out into the Gulf too. A little bit of waves, ride the waves out there, way out there, ride the swells. Should be pretty fun. Yeah, so I got to ride one in Costa Rica. Let's see. Ski bike on slopes. Oh, that's crazy. Ski bike. I still got the Starlink. That's gonna be my backup internet. Oh, I think it's on the other side over there. YouTube Shorts. Let's go check that out. Again, Retro Channel is not sloped downward yet. Oh, it's like an e-foil bike. What in the world? That's funny. I remember when I was a kid, Raj, I seen some big ol' like 3-wheel bicycles that floated on the water. They're blown up and people would sit in and pedal them, but they were huge. I mean, I was a kid. I remember seeing these at the beach. That's funny. I like to see somebody ride that bike down the slopes or down the waves. That would be funny. Yeah, it works great. So, hey, it didn't work for me in Costa Rica because I was going to put it off the balcony, but the balcony overhung so far. I didn't really anticipate that. The roof of the balcony went way past where the balcony was. So I couldn't get a good signal. I kept trying and trying and trying and trying. So I couldn't use it in Costa Rica. Yeah, bike looks like a lot of work. So look, good thing I haven't shorted this yet. We are still on the move up. So we're almost back up at the top of the range. So we're trying to break out through the overnight high, which we're probably getting ready to. Let's see if we can take out that high real quick. We're so close to it. Let's see. Is the market really gonna do that to me? I should have waited. I FOMO'd into that. I've been waiting all morning to place a trade. I really would have wanted to get filled down here. I'm like, nah, it's gonna go bust right out top of here and rip. But we'll see. Guess not. All right, waited all that time for trade number one just to be a loss. Dang it. Hit my target too quick. Come on, Joker. Dog it. I tried to get filled down here. I did. I was in and out too quick though. Woohoo. Oh boy, that was fun. Put a lot of crack. All right, new session highs over here. Right there. ES, not so much yet. ES session highs at 68. We're at 58 right now, so 10 points away. Oh yeah, I seen that. I seen the it's like a jet surfboard. See, I think that's even easier to ride than the foil, because the foil was really easy for me to ride when the board was on the water. It's when it came up, I'm like, it just felt weird. It was, I mean, it felt pretty cool, but it was a different experience. And then there was still pretty good chop in the water. or pretty good swells coming through, even though it was a smaller day. So let's see. Yeah, lithium batteries though sometimes will catch on fire too. Get a little space heater out of them. Hey, so the guy in Costa Rica was telling me that the batteries for the E-foil is about $4,000. He said if you let one go all the way down, sometimes you can't recover them and then it's just gone, lost. You can't get a new one. Says so don't completely discharge it all the way down to zero. But I've seen other people online saying, nah, you can charge it down to zero. It's safer to store. So who's right? I don't know. That would stink though. Take it pretty far offshore and then it catches on fire. That would suck. That'd be a bad day. I didn't even think about that. Yeah, 10%. Man, so bad want to short. So bad. You guys don't even know. Store at 20 to 70%. Yeah, I was thinking about keeping it somewhere around 70% when I store it. I'm hoping to use that as another form of exercise. So when I'm done streaming in the day, I can go out foiling a couple times a week, give me some more exercise, and that'd be a double winner, right? Go out there and get some exercise. Keep me away from the computer so I don't get back any of the profits I've already made. So could keep between 20 and 80%. Yeah. So I've watched videos on how the lithium ion batteries charge and how they transfer the power. Then when you have a problem, the one just starts building up and that's when you get it short out. Oh, it's pretty neat. All right, trying to go up there and take out session highs again, and another one. Yeah, I already have 3 MFF accounts. I can only have 3. So I have the 3 rapid accounts and they're funded. So I can't buy another account. Or it would do me no good because you can only have 3 funded accounts at one time. Otherwise, I definitely would. Hey, with MFF's new sale, if you want to use DeepSeek, you might be able to check that out. There's something I do want to check out. DeepSeek charts. That's pretty funny, Raj. Little personal boat. Little jet ski boat. That's funny. Raj just sent this. A guy in a little jet ski boat. Oh, that's funny. All right, new session highs. There we go. Hey, so we have NASDAQ up 509 points before the market even opens. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Hey, and something you want to keep an eye on. I might throw a micro on if we get up here. So let me go ahead and start working on that. Getting that chart set up so you guys can see it. Not there yet, but so that second deviation band's at 533. Or watch this 536. ES has not broken out session highs yet. We're getting close. Not there yet. Look above, drop scenario. You know, look, even if we were to come back down towards the bottom part of this range, 337 or 537, that's 200 points. That's, you know, about $400 per contract, per micro contract. So all right, new session highs. Weezer getting it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and shut down that poll. I do want to get the poll up real quick. Let's see what that one was. So 54% of you believe we'll hit new all-time highs. And let's go for the normal poll. I want to see pop or drop at the open. All right, if you guys want to vote, pop or drop at the open, what's the first 1 minute candle going to be today? Pop or drop? Oh, they're getting it right now. Yes, about to take out session highs too. F it. A little bit of FOMO entry, but I did enter the 1 micro. We're almost there. A little bit early. I'm already down on it. So I am willing to DC into it. I only added 1. I didn't put 2 on. That way, just in case we drop, I have a little bit of skin in the game. And the view app's all the way down here at 384. So let's see. Let's see. Now I am kind of curious. What about the DAX is up now. DAX turned around pretty good. CAC is also up. Green index, we're sitting at 32. Whenever the gamma levels earlier. So to the upside, you look at the S&P. Call resistance all the way up there at 7,800. That's miles away. To the downside, though, we have quite a bit. You have put support down here at 92. Call resistance at 72. 1 day minimum, which I don't think we're going to make it down there today. 21, 22. Where's GX1 at? I looked at that earlier. I think it's way down here. Where's that GX1 at? Oh, right there. 75.50, which we've been chopping around that area for quite a bit. So I look at the NASDAQ. What do we have for Mr. NASDAQ? Where's that GX1? You have 0 DT call resistance up here. Could be making our way up there. 750-ish. Other call resistance, 31,000. Where's the GX1 at? I'm trying to see it. Oh, GX1 is all the way down here at 29,800. Jeez. GX2 is at 750. So the 2 highest GX levels, 800 and 750. Wow. Wowzers. Now my micro is in the green here at the moment. We'll see how long that stays that way. But yeah, I've been wanting to short this market, but the regression channel is still sloping upward. So I do like the way this looks. Like if I wasn't looking at the regression channel, I'd be willing to try to bounce on this for a little short, but if trying to be patient. Taking all long trades this morning, 1 loss, 2 wins. I think I'm roughly break even. Because the one stupid one didn't let me move my target out of the way quick enough. But hey, it says U.S. Vice President Vance has a press conference at 11. I wonder if he's a little bit more on time than Trump is. This right here is Ninja Trader. This is the platform we're looking at. So if you look right here, we warned about this as we're coming up there. Second deviation band on the NASDAQ. Do we go all the way down towards VWAP? Right now it's at 86. Yeah, I'm with you. Dump it. Dump it. Let's flip this regression channel going sideways or down so I can short it. I like to see a quick, even if we're going to go up today, I'd like to see a quick flush down at the open. We do have a little bit of liquidity here at 75.50. Yeah, VWAP target 386. See, is the ES going down with it? A little bit. ES is below the regression channel. We'll see if we can start to get these regression channels to slope downward. Knocking noise is called market pulse from Bookmap. So anytime we get below 81, and this is adjustable. I have the threshold set at 81, negative 81 and positive 81. It's correlated with the ES and NASDAQ. Then you start to hear knocking noise. We got to get below that 81 before you hear any noise. And a lot of times, let's say we're plowing down here. You hear it slowing down. You can use it the time to entry to catch a bounce in the market. Or if you're already short, you start hearing you probably want to, at least move your stop down a little bit, or, think about exiting the position, maybe. At least that's how I use it. So if you hear a chirping noise, so going up, you hear a chirping noise. So, which I don't want to hear no chirping noise at the moment. So we only want to hear the drums playing my jam as I'm in the short trade. So up almost 100 on this one micro. Trump tweet indicator. Is that the pace in which Trump is hitting the keyboard on his phone? Every time his thumb hits a key. So the faster you're going, the more ticked off he is. Get ready for some volatility. Hey, the ES is almost back to the VWAP. So here's VWAP on the ES. We're almost right back to it. We did not hit the second deviation band on the ES though. And if we do a quick VWAP check, let's just look real quick. Mr. VWAP, where you at? Where is ya? All right, here's the ES. Right there, right back at it. We look at the NQ. Coming back down towards it. RTY. Still ways above it. YM. And we're just below the VWAP right now. The YM has been the weakest this morning. It's only up 0.42%. So it's the weakest so far this morning. Your limits on the 15-minute VWAP. Hey, so Randall, one thing you want to make sure you do, because if you do this, it won't matter the time frame chart at all. So you want to make sure on your VWAP indicator right there, you have it set where it calculates each tick. So you just go here, go indicators. Right there, VWAP, calculate each tick. And then it doesn't matter what time frame chart you're on. The VWAP should be the same on every chart. 5 minute, 1 minute, 30 minutes. So One for down, other for up. Yeah, tripping noise is for up. Knocking type noise is for the down. Yeah, I'm waiting to see if we can flatten out this regression channel or get it sloping downward. I'll be willing to pounce on it. Let's go, let's go. How do I get that instrument? Oh, it's part of Bookmap. Talking about the market pulse. Wait to lift all force. Kuwait sees faster oil output boost than previously thought. Kuwait to ramp up refining along with oil output increase. Yeah, oil's almost at $73 as we speak. We look at CL real quick. CL's on the move down. I guess last night actually made it to 73.42. Not a problem, Randall. I purchased Bookmap, got a lifetime license for it back in 2020 or 2021 or 19, somewhere back in there. So Bookmap itself doesn't cost me anything. The data I have to pay for every month, like $30. They're getting me excited about wanting to short it. We still haven't got the regression channel to slope downward yet. Unfortunately. Planning for the corrective move down. I mean, I'll route it if you don't short. You have a easier job in the market. Neo says I'm about to short. I want to. I'm just waiting for this regression channel to slope, change the slope, go sideways, start sloping downward a little bit. Then I'll jump on the sell side. Till then, I just need to wait. Hurry up and wait. Yeah, just focus on longs. And the markets, more people fight for the market to go up than down. So governments don't want big moves down the markets. You got the big pension funds and a lot of 401k money. Divergence with gold. Gold's getting smacked here a little bit. Gold's down 110. We want to see this just down. I don't know that it's going to happen, but I'd love to see it. Make them dreams come true. Let's get it. Yeah, we'll see if we can actually dip down though. The market got beat up a little bit yesterday. We've done a pretty good job of pushing up off the lows. I don't know. Everyone's a little bit different. Everybody trades their funded accounts differently. Doop. Yesterday was one of your best days. Wow, I'm surprised if you said you only go long. I'm surprised yesterday was one of your best days. Look, ripping right back up. That's why I'm glad I'm being patient. Being patient, waiting for the regression channel to slope downward. It has not done it. Higher time frame biased for today. Not really here at the moment. You know, you can make the case that, well, actually we did. So on the NASDAQ, we do have an ABC target to the upside. So something like this. The target's right around 567, which also puts us right near yesterday's high area. If we were to mark off this zone, candle body to the candle wick, something like that. Bam. See, we come right in that zone. On the ES, a little bit different. We're just in this consolidation at this moment. No ABC pattern yet, other than a much larger ABC pattern. If you go something like this, that'd be all the way up here at 76.25. I don't know if we make it up there today. We could, but we'll see. Oh, man. You like the 250 profit, so you ended up revenge trading. Again, it lost 1,000. That sucks. Now, you lost 1,000 from the high water mark, or you're down 1,000 where you lost 1,250, essentially. Yeah, worst day, 1,000, only being $1,000 isn't that bad. They're tripping it right back up. Let's go see the VIX. The VIX should be going down. It is. So remember, the VIX implied that today or Monday will be an up day in the markets. Right now, we're up quite a bit. Quite a bit. 519 points. So quite a bit on the NASDAQ. Oh, man. Yeah, I've been there, done that myself. I think all of us have. Anybody that's traded for any amount of time, you've been, oh, I'm happy with today. And then for whatever reason, just one more trade. Let's just see if we can round it up a little bit. So, actually, it probably is up a little bit loud from normal because of the Fed being pumped in yesterday. Had the volume up on the desktop audio, so I forgot to turn that back down. Yeah, one more trade. Sometimes you just gotta leave good enough alone. Otherwise, you're like, dang it, why did I do that? Why did I just stop? Look like hey, it could be. It could be. We got to pull back here a little bit first, though. Like this right here, cup, pull back, get the handle and rip, maybe. You end up blaming everything. Yeah, but at the end of the day, we got to realize it's our fault. All right, whatever mistakes we make, it's our fault. Nobody else's fault but our own. So. You're not buying the push. Yeah, I'm looking for a short, but I want to see the regression channel start to slope downward. We haven't got it yet. Just been going up and up and up since we got on stream. So I'm just hurrying up and wait. Hurry up and wait. My opportunity will come. We do have a 9 count up here, but we have the delta declining. We're coming up on the open in about 14 minutes. Hey, Brian, good morning. So, oh, is it ES pushing new session highs? Almost. ES is getting close to new session highs as well. So we're gonna have a massive gap up this morning. Oh, good looking out, Chris. Smash that lucky like button, guys and gals, if you haven't yet. You don't have time for patience. Why don't you stay up? Here we go. We're getting ready to bust the highs again. Screw it. Let's jump. Let's go ahead and join the party. I really want to short this, but the market clearly just wants to go up here at the moment. There we go. I've only taken long so far this morning, so not too bad. Not too shabby. So we'll get ready for this market to open. And don't forget, if you guys want to vote, pop or drop at the open. Poll is in the chat. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Got about 12 minutes. So we'll bring over the market on open orders here in a few. I still want to short this, but I need to get this regression channel flatten out or sloping downward. It's just not happening at the moment, which is good. I mean, it's keeping me away. I would have missed that short there, but you know, the bigger picture, we've been trying to go up, so no need to fight it. Get down around 400s. We're coming back up on that second deviation band again on the view app for the NASDAQ. I wonder if we're getting it with light volume today too. And again, VIX being the VIX yesterday does not, or actually implies that today or Monday is going to be an update in the market. We're already up 530 points. So if we don't close up today, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. So we shall see. Yeah, let's see how it all shakes out. About 10 minutes left. You know, a lot can change come the opening bell. Ding, 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 ding. It would be funny if we came all the way down, filled the gap today. And again, if you look at these gaps, look at the Qs. Just massive, 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 massive. Look, we're trading all the way up here. We closed all the way down here. Big, massive gap on the way up. Now, gaps, large gaps normally don't fill the same day. Just friendly reminder. If you look at the initial market on open orders, this is going to change. 800 million to the sell side on the ES. NASDAQ isn't moving yet. 330 million to the sell side on the Dow. So. Oh, sweet. They emailed me back. Huh. I wonder if I can do this. Yeah, email this to myself. Hold up. If you guys want to vote, don't forget pop or drop at the open. Oh, I see. Oh boy. So let's see. Trying to get this situated. All right, new session highs on the NASDAQ. Let's go. All right, we're still ripping new session highs. Whew. Up 556 points. Oh, buddy. Let's get it. Taking no prisoners this morning. All right, so on the ES, I got my trade detector bubble set at 150 this morning. We haven't had any trade detector bubbles this morning. Oh, I accidentally just delete them. No, I couldn't have. Yeah, 150. Okay. I'll make sure I didn't delete the indicator. So right there at session highs on the ES. NASDAQ just made new session high. We'll get the, I'm going to close out the poll here in about a minute and a half or so. Usually we get big gaps. We don't fill them the same day. Now we'll probably get a pullback at some point, but I don't think we're going to fill the gap. I think that's asking way too much. All right, there we go. New session highs. So look, if you look at that zone right there, that's the ABC pattern and the previous day's high that we're looking at. So we just smashed it. Smashed the ABC target, got in that zone. Come over, look at financial juice. All right, the orders flip. Look, 1.3 billion on the S&P. 1.8 billion on the NASDAQ and 245 billion or 245 million on the Dow. Big rocket ship. ES taking out session highs. ES up 82 points, 1.1%. I'm going to go ahead and close out that poll. So let's get it. Let's get it. So definitely pushing the markets up here this morning. They got it going this morning. Way too hard to the top of the chart. You know, it's getting it. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this just so I can clean up my charts here a little bit. Remove that zone. The ABC pattern we already smashed. I'm going to get rid of that. Yeah, we're almost at third deviation band right now. So I'm currently down on that micro. That micro I'm taking some heat right now, which that's fine. That's why I only put one on. I will DCA into it. Any points above? Well, we just completed ABC pattern. Really the next target. Next target's really up here. This whole zone right here. Right about there. So we'll call that 741 to about 768. So 52% said pop, 48% said drop. I'm surprised. I'm surprised more people didn't say pop. You guys really surprised me on that one. I want to short. I've been waiting for the regression channels to slope downward. It just hasn't done it yet. So I'm in hurry up and wait. Yeah, good morning, good morning. Hey, Elevated Life, let's go. Yeah, I don't have any bubble over there. Maybe you've seen it on the ES. Yeah, ES had some trade detector bubbles showing up. You're in the M&Q. Pretty good little rip up right here we've had. All right, so we got about a minute and 30 seconds before they open. Come on, they need to give me a short trade today. I've only placed long so far. Even last night I was only long. Can't believe NASDAQ's up 601. We've had a range of 661. Oh no, we've had a range of, that's weird, 523 points, but we're up 600. How does that work? I think because after 4 o'clock. All right. MU's $1,100. Holy crap. All right, so we got about 30 seconds left. Let's get ready to rumble. 3,800 next target. We might get it. Need to see a pullback from my micro real quick. Let's see. Oh, we got a trade detector bubble showing up on the NASDAQ. If it wasn't this close to the open, I'd probably look to take a swing at it. I can't do it this close to the open. All right, here we go. Ding, 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 ding. The market is open. You son of a biscuit eater. It would have worked too. Would have worked. Look, then as we came down, we got a trade detector bubble right there at the center line. Smaller one, but still a bubble. On SPY 750. Let's see where SPY's at real quick. Oh, SPY's almost, only $2 away. Yeah, that was the pullback. We're still waiting to see how this first 1 minute candle is going to close. See if the pops or the drops got it right. Let's see. All right, looks like the drops got it right. The minority wins again. Oh man, they can't be defeated. That's funny. Big move up. Coming down here at the open a little bit. Now, before I get to any shorts on the minis, I do want to wait for the regression channel to slope downward. I've been saying that all morning. Thankfully, that's kept me out of a lot of bad trades. So we shall see. Can they get it? Can they lose it? Got a big trade detector bubble right there. J&J dropping like a rock. All right, good thing you didn't get in. Let's go look at this heat map real quick. Lit up green. Only Microsoft is only Mag 7 in the red. Intel up almost 9%. Cisco, ARM's up 5%. MU up 6%. Marvel up 5.5%. Wow, we got some big moves. Let's go see SMH. Is that a buck? Wow, look at SMH's big gap. SMH new all-time highs. Wow. Fixed down $1.71. All right, where's the liquidity? Any major liquidity? We are sitting right there at the second deviation band on the NASDAQ. I want to wait. I want to be a little bit more patient though. I'm not really trying to jump on this too quick. SpaceX is dumping. Uh-oh, is it got 2 down days in a row? Woof. How much money is Elon losing now? Elon was the first $1.5 trillion year, $1.5 trillionaire. And now he's just going to be a billionaire pretty soon. Oh boy. Again, nice little reaction to the downside. So I got to see this regression channel slope downward before I want to go for a meaningful push. We look at the volume profile real quick. Look, we're way above the overnight value area high. And I think we're going to come right here towards this minus development area and the developing value area high at 506. So watch out for that. They want to take your SpaceX profits and buy semis. Israel must keep the Lebanon buffer zone for security. You got a nice little sell. Yeah, Elon ain't worried. Hey, so look, this is what we talked about earlier. Little micro trade, right? Second deviation band. VWAP's at 425. $425. Are we going to get down there? Oof. Let's see. Might be able to finally get this regression channel slope downward. So look, 425 is the VWAP. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover one of these. So now I only have one on. I'll take the other one down to 425. That way, just in case we get a big nasty rip up, I can, you know, peel some off. Or I can add to it, then peel it back off as we go down. So I'm watching the VWAP right now. It's about 427. Come on, don't bounce too much. Just go straight down there. Come on. Screw it. I'm just going to get out. I'm happy with that trade. Even if it goes down there, it's not a bad trade. So right here, put one on here, added one up here. Bam, took it off down here. So the second contract, they made about 100 points on. The first contract, actually, I made more than, I made about 120 points ish on the second contract. First contract only made about, what was that, 40? So 85. About 41 points on the first contract. So not bad. We still haven't flipped the regression channel down yet. So. Let's see. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, man. Hey, Raj, how many micros do you have? Hey, we did make it out to the VWAP, too. Well, you can see right there. I could have held it, but I chickened out. Chickened out. I'm treating today like a Friday. Early's in, early's out. It's a pretty good little knee jerk down. Look, and if we look over here, what do we have? What do we have? Consolidation. Is this nothing more than a look above failure? We're going back down towards the bottom of it. On the ES, it'd be around, what, 75.30-ish? NASDAQ, maybe the same thing too. What I want to see on the NASDAQ, can we break the swing low right here? Around 350. We break 350, we're coming back down towards 288, 287, 286. We got to break that first, though. I got to get this regression channel to slope downward. It's still sloping upward at the moment, so let's not get too carried away with it. Thank you. Hit the VWAP. Yeah, there we go. That's also ching. 4 micros for the win. Oh, congrats, repeat. Yeah, I love the VWAP. Make sure though, if you guys are using a VWAP, you have it set to each tick. Calculate each tick. That way, regardless what time frame chart you're looking at, it's always going to be the same. A lot of delta down here too. Look, a lot of delta. That's a pretty nasty move down. We work on the 9 count too. So 213 points. Major gamma support right here at 74.75. Oh, let's see if we bust it. I can see the ES going down towards 21, 75.21 on the ES. 376 next stop on the NASDAQ. Oh, just saying 355 to 320. He's been the one with the hot hand lately too. Israel must keep the living off. Yeah. Read that on Juice. Iran shipping traffic back to normal at southern ports. Oil's down $2.50. Oil's at 73.48. Oh, we got the 9 count below the regression channel, trying to bounce up here a little bit. So is that the sell-off we get today? Now we're going to rally back up? Or can we keep going down? 30,514. Yeah, we might get it there. That's right where the 21 EMA is, right around that area. Dog it, I almost shorted it. And this little thing right here, I was like, if we start coming down, I'm going to short it, but it happened too quick. I just simply couldn't react. You know, I wasn't 100% sure I really wanted to do it. I was looking at it, I was like, ah, and then the trade was gone. Poof. So. Yeah, too much bouncing. Bounce, bounce, bounce. So then keep it pushing, pushing, pushing down. Or is that it? Is that it? Is this going to be the bottom of the move? And we's going to rip back up. Have a nice little hammer candle, 2 wicks. Right here at the VWAP. So if you look at NQ real quick. And the VWAP, you see the wicks right here at the VWAP. So they're trying to support it. Got buyers there at VWAP at the time being. Yeah, I almost bid on that too. Look, I missed this one right here. We're coming back down there again. I was really thinking hard about looking for a little long. So the reason that caused me not to bite on this one right here, we were still coming off of being overbought. So I hesitated a little bit. Good thing I did. Good thing I did. Look, you see the regression trail is starting to flatten out here a little bit. Russia's ABC pattern starting to form. Yeah, I hope we end up with a lower high. That regression trail is starting to flatten out. It's not all the way flat yet, but it's starting to get constructive. So think about looking for me a little sell. Man, as soon as they whip it down, whoop, right back up. Quick little move down right here. Bink, right back up. Quick. Uh-oh, that last 200 is going to be the worst. It's the worst. Telling you, don't force it. Do not force it. You will regret it. About to take a swing short. I almost took a short. I just didn't do it yet. In my head, I'm like, well, the regression channel is almost flat. So I hesitated a little bit too long. Is what it is. It would have been dang it. Had the potential now. Short term is starting to get oversold. You can see the green background. So yeah, hey, if you're stressing, hey, just back away from the computer for a little bit. Don't go. If you last thing you want to do is, oh, I just need $200. And then you work yourself all up and then you place a trade, and then next thing you know, it doesn't work out and everything unravels on you. When you're focused on trying to make that money, it's hard. It's easier when you're not so worried about it. All right, new low. So we got the regression channel slightly sloping downward, just barely. I just got to get a sell set up. I'll be looking to short. I don't want to short it below the regression channel though. So 100 points. Banger. Let's get it. Dang it. $503 down. Yeah, when you have a big win, that's when it's dangerous. You're like, oh, no. You get laxy daisy and the market says, thank you for my money back. And you're like, what happened? Why are my pockets a lot thinner now? We're trying to get a little bouncy bounce. All right, short term, trying to get overbought. You see the red background. Dang it. I'm just hesitating on pushing the button today. I don't know what's got into me. I was looking at shorting over here. Just didn't do it. Oh, there you go. Quick little scalp right there. I was going to move my target down, but it filled me before I could move it. And I was like, whew, maybe that's for the better. $20-minute chart is good today. I don't think I've ever traded a 20-minute chart. I've traded 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 30, 60 to 40. I don't know that I ever did. I think one time I even did a 55-minute chart or something. Some weird chart. Try to get filled. Try to get a short in. They didn't want to give it to me. Let's go look at this opening range real quick. How big is the opening range? 223 points. Let's go ahead and map out the target zone of that in case we get any trades we want to fire off. Properties. We'll make it green so we know that's for a target. With 6. All right. Well, let's see. I don't know. Look at the ES chart. Looks like it kind of wants to break down. Looks like we going lower. Trade detector bubble makes me a little bit nervous. We are below it. Let's see. See if we can get a push back down. Well, I almost had it close. Should have. That's right. That one got me. I almost hit close and went back slightly in the green. Then bam. The trade detector bubble did make me a little bit nervous, but I pushed that aside and we're just shopping around the view app right now. Still at 459 points. Large gaps up. We go look at the ETFs. All right, here's a SPY. Big gap up. Hughes, big gap up. What about RSP real quick? RSP is up 0.82%. Yeah, footprint charts up. I do have them up. Right there's my footprint chart. I don't have it on the NASDAQ. I use it on the ES. And I have Bookmap up as well. There's the NQ, there's the ES. Well, we're coming right up to that target zone, which I didn't take a trade towards it, but right there, bada bing, bada boom. 20-minute got a 9 count. Now Alzay's trying to rip it back up. Short term, we got to be overbought. See the red background. Dang it. Hesitate on pushing the button again. All right, quick little target there. Trying to move my target down some, but did not give me a chance. There we go. Dang it. Feel like went, let's move my target. It's only on trades that don't work. Dog it, see? Well, let me move my target again. I was playing off that overbought area, the red background. So we get a rejection back down or not. One more push. Hey, Rod, I was hoping one more push lower. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's not where I want to get filled. God, dog it. I hit that button way up here. I hit the button like up here. Got filled way down there. That stinks. That stinks. I mean, it still worked out, but it's not what I was looking for. See, look, let me move my target. Bam, stopped out. Every single time. Oil's down $2.82. Moved it again. Got me. Son of a biscuit eater. Yeah, around 50% of the retracement. Trying to go back up here at the moment. So maybe we go down a little bit further. Try to challenge this low, but it's not looking like it. Look at that 30-minute candle. Big wick on that candle. Big wick. See where the VIX is at right now. Where is the VIX? VIX on the move back down 7.87%. We're at 38 on the fear and greed index. Yeah, that stinks. Having bad internet is not fun. Yes, bounce off top of the gap. I'd like to see ES back to opening price. That would be pretty awesome. Get back down to about 75.12. Woo. That'd be pretty intense. That would be pretty intense. Let's see. We're turning right down. Hey, this could be set up ABC pattern on the way down. All right, something like this. Hey, target on that's all the way down here at 30,309. Can we get it? I got myself involved in the ES trade. About to move my target or my stop. Let's just trail this down a little bit. It's gonna get me. I closed it. All right. Well, at least I got something. I got something back. So for a little bit move, but let's just go check this out. So if we come down here and we break that B point, that's a large ABC pattern down. And what about ES? ES, if we were to go ahead and map this out as well. Ooh, target on that be 75.08. That'd put us below the opening price. That'd be pretty sick if we make it down there. Shifted your order down a little bit. Yeah, knock knock. Who's there? We have some liquidity here on the ES. 75.55 to the upside. What about to the downside? I don't see any. I don't see any major liquidity to the downside. What about on the NASDAQ? A little bit of liquidity at 400. That's really about it. buy a Starlink. Yeah, I bought it. I didn't get to use it in Costa Rica, but that was unfortunate. But I did a lot of speed tests here at the house with it. A day or two before I left. It was pretty decent. Pretty decent. Let's see if we can go down there and take out that opening range low and basically start working our way down towards the ABC pattern to the downside. Along with the ES breaks that low, we have that ABC pattern, which I don't know if we're gonna make all the way down there, but 7508 would be the target on it. Let's see. Get it. All right, we haven't broken it yet, so ABC pattern is not validated yet on the ES or on the NASDAQ. But we closed. Now, hey, once you pass MFF, you don't pay any monthly fee. Nope. So if you pass it within 30 days, you can get a builder account for as cheap as $63, I think it is. 3 for 3. Nice. Hey, good job on that one, repeat. 3 for 3. Let's see. Are we going to break it? Or is it going to be able to break it? No, so with my funded futures, if you don't pass within 30 days, you will get rebuilt unless you cancel the account. With Lucid or Tradeify, it's a one-time payment. If however long it takes you. Apex is a one-time payment, but you got to pass within 30 days or buy a new account. So you don't have to worry about canceling the accounts anymore. All right, like, we don't know if we really want to break that low. We don't know if we really want to break it. Like, a little bit scared. Rest channel still sloping downward, came into being overbought. Where'd the juice go? Maybe it was signed by Iran. No need to hold an in-person meeting in Switzerland with Iran and the U.S. since both sides have signed it. Dog it. I'm watching it just go down. I was like, wanted to short it. I just couldn't bring myself to push the button. I just could not bring myself to push the button. Golly. Yeah, as long as you pass, you're all good. Once you pass, you're good. All right, there's the center of the opening range. Yeah, stock markets are roaring. What was that? $73.38. Regression channel is still sloping downward, so I can still take sells. Been a little nervous because every time I hit the sell button, it's been taking my lunch money. Woo, there we go. That puts me back at new session highs. Actually, let me move my target on that one. It actually did not have a losing trade. Uh-oh. Gotta be careful. They might be coming back for revenge now. Nightbot, when are you gonna get a prop account? Nightbot's upset because they banned bot trading. No trading bots allowed. Nightbot has an appeal field. Or filed. Hey, Patriot. Good morning. They're trying to get it going back up here. All right, they're going to be able to flip that regression channel back up. Maybe. We're getting up towards the upper part of that upper channel of the regression channel, so I don't mind looking for shorts. So. The Forex. I'm feeling this good. Take my lunch, man, but who knows? Well, we might get lucky. I doubt it. Nope. Nope. I knew it when I put the trade on, but since I knew it, but I had a sneaky suspicion. And short term, we got to be overbought. Dog it. See it? Don't let me move my target out of the way. So the settings on my regression channel are 55 for the length and 3 for the width. Other than that, it's all the same. Nothing special. See if we can go back down to that green line, the midpoint of the opening range. Let's see if we can go a little bit lower. I'm gonna move my stop in the money. Joker's gonna go up there. I'm gonna kill it. Dang it. I got a little bit greedy. Want a little bit more. Oh, good thing I did kill it. Huh. Hey, Sam, congrats. Another green day. Congrats. You're racking them up. That might be all the downward pressure we get today. Maybe now it's just up, up, up and away. We're coming into just after 10 o'clock. I sold it off initially in the morning. We never validated the potential ABC pattern. If we break above 539, that will invalidate the pattern on the NASDAQ. What about the ES? Yeah, ES breaks above 554, 75.54. I will say 75.55. Break above that, any potential ABC pattern that we're looking at will be voided out. Oh, it's getting a little chilly in here. There we go. SPY 2 times top. Saying SPY double top. Oh, there we go. We broke it. So like that ABC pattern we had drawn out, hoping it would validate. Nope. Off the table. No good. But we are above the upper regression channel and we are short-term overbought. Off that area. Let's see if we can get a little scalp. Got a little scalp there. Wait for a quick little scalp again, maybe. It's gonna get me. Closed it. Dang it. Hey, so let's go look at the Dow real quick. Where is Mr. Dow? All right, I know it's up 170. The Dow still not really lifted up off the recent low. Same thing with the Russell. Interesting. Yeah, I barely got my target out of the way quick enough. I mean, you're going to come back and stop me out? See, sometimes the market does me a solid. You sucker. Stops me out just to go back down. I'm having a hard time breaking out of this area in the P&L wise. Dow's back up 214. Russell up 30. We're going back up towards opening range high, near session high as well. See if we make it. We're still above the upper regression channel. So we could be in the process of trying to turn that over, but meaning trying to flip the regression channel going back up. Come on, just give me a quick little squeeze down. Please. And thank you. We have a 9 count right there in the 1 minute as well. So we get that push down. Push, push. Push, push. Please. Come on. A little bit more. Again, if you look right here, we have a little zone. Right there. Can we get into it? I'm closing it. God dang it. I was up pretty decent on that too. Up pretty decent. That's one of the problems with trying to go for a bigger move sometimes. Market smacks us. And it looks like we're going to hit session highs. So where ES is. ES isn't nearly as close to session high, but still broke above that ABC pattern-ish area without going down and validating the pattern. So target filled. Congrats, Apple. Joker. Come on. Push it. Let's get out. Take a little scout before it comes back. Now watch, we'll come all the way down to the zone. All the way down there. Again, if we get back to 616, I might re-engage a micro trade again, looking for a short. Yeah, hey Jay, love that. Anybody emailing you saying from support for me, say it's definitely not me. Not me. It is not me. Look there. Dang it. We're gonna hit that freaking zone that I had mapped out right here. So look, I quit trading it. Oh, now we get into it. You stupid market. Yeah, I'm trading September 2. I don't think you can even trade June anymore. After 9:30 today, I think it was over with. No more. $70, impossible to get it back. It's not impossible. But I will tell you that trying to chase the P&L, I've lost more money. That and revenge trading probably, which is kind of one and the same. What's it going to be? Are we going to make it all the way down there or not? Using my picture on the email. That's fantastic. Yeah, it's definitely not me. Definitely not me. We're going to push down from there. This ends up forming a lower high. I don't know. Problem I have with this, though. We have a potential upside target at 688. Yeah, I agree with that. Yeah, you didn't get an email from me. I'm never going to send you an email saying, hey, send me money. I'm going to trade for you. Any of that stuff. It's never going to be the case. Never, ever, ever, ever. Yeah, I figured you were joking, but I just want to make that clear to everybody. It's not going to be me. Don't do it. No, it wasn't me. Hey, it's not my email address. I don't know. It's not my email address. It's only a handful of people, too, that have reached out to me and told me about it. So the email address they're sending from is not me. They try to make it look like an email address from me or something, but it's not. Not from me. Because the email I send out to you guys doesn't come from a Gmail account. Oh, now we're going to go down. Fantastic. I don't take the short. And we go down. Interesting. All right, we're spending a lot of time within this opening range so far. Lots of time. And don't forget, we will be doing a duck race today as well. And probably tomorrow. Come on. Oh, I'm not going to click the attachment. I won't click it. You can send it, but I won't click on it. Oh, let's go look at SpaceX. Look at RTY too. RTY is near low of the day. What about YM? Oh, look at SpaceX. Yeah, YM's down there too. SPCX. Yeah, SpaceX down 5.5%. Yikes. VIX still down 5.7%. And look, all we did is bounce off the midpoint of that opening range. Craziness. That was only at 105. So I'm going to take a quick little scalp here. Or are they going to scalp me? Yep. Ooh, almost just did something I shouldn't have done. Almost double click the mouse to see if I can get a test at 200 EMA. I'm closing it. I heard the chirps right after I got in. I'm out. I'm out. Your duck's been fine tuned. Chirp, chirp. It's like right when I get to about 2,000, 2,100 in profit, bam, smack back down. Nick Shirley. Crude oil is at 72.96. Crude oil on the move up. Let's see the dollar index real quick. What is the dollar doing? DXY. That's still up. Yield should be down. Let's see. Yeah, yields at session lows. It's favorable for stocks. Here goes NASDAQ. NASDAQ's going to be trying to breach session highs. You got the Dow trying to bounce up here a little bit too. CL's a buy soon. Oh no, I think CL's going a little bit lower. No, I shouldn't have done that. I still did it. So we're going to go back up and rip up towards session highs. So it looks like it wants to do. $270 times. Oh, wow. Hey, good job on that one, Sam. Wow. I want to cry. I want to cry. So we probably got all the retracement we're gonna get for this morning. Let's see, YM. Yeah, YM's trying to lift up now. RTY. Again, the VIX was down. The VIX was up more than 10% yesterday, which implied that today or Monday was going to be up. We're being up 601 points on the NASDAQ. They got it right. Yeah, big bubble up there. We have the regression channel sloping back up again. On the next took the day off for Juneteenth today. Huh. That's interesting. All right, it's official. It's a stupid market. Maybe it's a nice market. We'll see. Putting off that trade detector bubble up there. I play keep away here. See if we can maximize this. See if we can get a little bit more. Who am I stopping the money? Should have took it too. $400. I should have took that crap. I'm just gonna get out. I should have took it instead of being greedy. I would have wiped out 2 of the losses versus just 1. Kind of curious. Dow's up 160 now. Russell up 28. So if I would have left my stop at break even, I'm just kind of curious. No, I would have got, it would have stopped me out. Stop loss at break even, that would have stopped me out. Okay. I'm long and leaving a runner. Hopefully it works out for you. Hey, see you later, Chris. Thanks for stopping by. And don't forget, if you guys haven't yet, smash that looky like button. Ooh. We're gonna go up there and take out session highs. You can see they want to do it. Regression channel is still sloping upward. Let's see if we can go up there and get it. Go up theirs and get it. Come on. Come on, just get it. Get it. Might be being a little bit greedy here. Last trade, if I would have got out when I was up 400, if this one gets up 400, I think that would have put me back at session highs or close to it. There we go. There we go. Got it. Got the push through the high of the day. Let's go. Let's go. Regression channel still sloping upward. Markets only go up. Dow's up 206 now. All right, we are at the second deviation band, so I'm going to put 1 micron again. Just do 1 micron right up here. Maybe I'll end up regretting that, but see right here at the second regression, second deviation band. Let's see, did the S&P? Yeah, S&P still hasn't taken out the high yet. Probably will. NASDAQ's pretty strong, up 634 points. So we have the VWAP all the way down here at 453. I'd be pretty okay with that if we made it all the way down there really quick. Regression channel is still sloping upward, so we shall see. Micro is up like 58 on it or so, I saw. Squeeze territory from here on out. Hopefully not. Hopefully they're gonna squeeze the longs back down the VWAP so I can get out of this micro trade. Only got 1 contract on, so it's not too big of a deal at this moment. Could turn into a big deal, but it's not at the moment. Hey, JD Vance has a press conference at 11. Come on down. Get it, get it, get it. Now watch, if we just drop straight down, I'm going to be upset I didn't put on more contracts. If you guys haven't yet, smash that like button. If you guys do want to do the duck race, we got to get at least 200 likes. We're at 168 right now, so we need at least 32 more likes. So just keep Tesla top tier. Duck stickers at code Mike. That was funny. That micro trades pretty liking it, up $100 on it already. And if we look at where the VWAP is, VWAP's at 455 at the moment. So right down here is VWAP. We got a long distance to cover. I'm going to try to cover down here near VWAP is my goal. Now, if we just consolidate up here, VWAP will probably go up, so it'll be less and less of a target, but kind of watching the VWAP at the moment. Oh man, playing my song. They got my jam on the radio. Your likes are in. I appreciate that. Let's get it. Another. Up almost 100 points on this. A little bit more will be up 100 points on one micro. And we're at the lower regression channel too. Yeah, I was gonna hold out for VWAP, but I'm gonna take it. We're at the lower regression channel, straight down. We bounce back up. I can replay that again, just in case we don't bounce. But just in case we don't keep going down. Watch, it'll probably go all the way to VWAP now. So I did the feel good trade, got out early. Ah, repeat. Congrats. 5 for 5. Man. This is saying 502. Let's see if it's going to bounce back up or not now. Does we bounce back up? You still have not hit the VWAP. VWAP's at 457 right now. Nat gas news. Limit buy at 451. Let's get it. I'm no longer in that short, so I'll probably make it down there. I did you a favor, Randall. I got out of the trade so it can go down there. Otherwise, the market would not have made it all the way down there. So, we can't pay him that much. We can't go all the way down there. $457 is VWAP. Dang it, I should have held out. I had the right trade, but that's what happens after you have a couple losses. Dang it. Are we going all the way back down? That'd be pretty wild if we do. All right, so we almost hit the VWAP. Not quite. Almost. So we almost got it. Just barely missed it. They're like, oh, we can't get Randall's order. He already told us where he's at. All right, we got to stop before we get down there. Dow's up 154. ES up 52. NASDAQ's up 503. We're at negative gamma. Let's get it to the downside. Let's push. Look, we're below the lower regression channel line, but the regression channel is sloping upward. So is this a good buy down here or not? Maybe. We spent a lot of time around this center line of the opening range. Lots of time. It's acting like its own little magnet this morning. Now, where's the point of control at? Yeah, right about 439. A little bit below the VWAP. Couple ticks from hitting your VWAP. Nice. Hey, good job on that, Brian. Good deal. Hey, I did. I told you up here. I got in short with a micro. Yeah, if you use code Mike on Tradeify, they'll get you the best deal. And you can always go to propfirmmike.com and find the best prop firm deals out there. I think Tradeify right now is 35% off. Use code Mike, it makes you a winner. Maybe that's why I gotta start using my own code. They locked me out. It's not fair. All right, so I'm trying to debate here. Report card sent. Let's go check out Eddie's report card. Oh, Eddie. Oh, man. I was hoping to see some green. Oh, man. Oh, this is proof. Losses do happen. So there's Eddie's day. Minus $2,000. Oh, man. Sorry to hear that, Eddie. Losses do occur in trading. That is part of it. All right, pretty good little push right back up. Yeah, nice little lift up. We just barely missed hitting that VWAP too. And look how close it was. So close, but yet so far away. So without a subscription, I don't know. You can write your own spreadsheet and figure it out. Pull the options data. Let's see. Ripping right back up too. Right back up. Short term, we got to be overbought. I don't know if I want to take a swing at it. Regression channel is still sloping upwards, so it's a little bit more of an aggressive trade. If I were to take it, which I probably will, I'm not going to, yeah, there you go. I wasn't going to move for a bigger move down, just looking for a little scalp. Your wife says you have no emotions. Sounds perfect for you. All right, Dow's up 226. That might be the last little bit of a pullback we get. All right, CES is trying to rip back up. Regression channel is sloping upward. Roger, the lower high produces a bigger reversal. Now, see if we end up with that lower high. I don't know. I'm not very optimistic here at the moment. No, I'm treating today kind of like a Friday. All the big players are probably gone or leaving soon. Made a little bit of money, get out. Go enjoy their weekend. So you're long and it's green. Hey, Neo, what price you in the long at? Yeah, half day tomorrow. If you trade no emotions, you'd be a millionaire. That's a lot harder than people think. You see the dollar signs going up and down, up and down, up and down. Tugs on those emotional strings. For sure. Once your duck wins, you're going to trade that account. And if we make it back up to the second deviation band, I don't know, man. Do I take another swing at that trade again? I don't know. I don't really know how I feel about that. I'm right back near, I'm at or near session highs at the moment. Had a little bit of a roller coaster this morning. Had some wins, had some losses. Yeah, we've had some good moves up and down. For sure. Question is, though, are we about to make a new high? Let's look at the ETFs again. So, Qs. Yeah, Qs didn't get very far in that gap. I got a little bit further. Diamonds got a lot further into the gap. And, oh. IWM got pretty decent into the gap as well. So it looks like Microsoft's still in the red. All the other Mag 7 in the green. Not really updated. Intel's still where it says it is. Ah, SpaceX. SpaceX at 179. Uh-oh, Elon's losing some more money for the moment. If that produces a lower high, that could be pretty intense. See if we can get on down. Get on down there. Russian channel sloping up though. I was about to go short it. I'm not going to do it. Russian channel sloping up, looking too strong at the moment, so I'm just going to wait. Elon is selling himself? Yeah, probably. I don't think he can sell yet. I don't think he can sell yet. Maybe. Fisher short by 3 ticks. So I was debating on, do I want to take another short on a micro trade off these VWAP bands? I didn't do it. We didn't make it back up there, but I wasn't sure if I wanted to do it or not. So maybe. Six-month lockout for Elon. Should hit the like button more. So we've had some pretty good, on the micro trades, we've had some pretty decent trades today. Put one on there, added one, boom, took them both off. Put one on up here, bam, took it off. So 100 points on that second trade. Wasn't too bad. Not too shabby. Hey, Brian, I don't blame you. You know, if you've been red and now you're back, I mean, that's a pretty good comeback. Pretty good feeling. You don't want to risk going back to where you were. Back to the no fun zone. So I don't blame you on that. Hit the like button, you can win a race. Let's see. Well, if we don't get to 200 likes, we're not going to do the duck race today. So we'll see. We're not there yet. We's not there yet. You're adding more longs? Hey, Neil, what's your target on your longs? You could have a little ABC pattern up right here, too. You're breaking above that B point right there. It's right above the other target, too. So we shall see. I don't know. YouTube's not liking me at the moment. YouTube got upset with me for something. Yesterday's analysis video didn't even crack 1,000 views. I can't even remember the last time that's ever happened. It's been a long time. 756 views. Target 1 million. I don't know. We got the Dow back up 244. I think we going up higher. I think we going up. So I give myself a little scalp long. Think about that ABC target. Might want to go ahead and complete. Maybe. Come on, Joker. There we go. Definitely new session highs on that one. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah, Russell's up over one. Everything. Not everything. Let's go look real quick. So if we look at ES, 5 minute, take away the VWAP. Not quite back up the highs yet. YM, pretty good push off that low, maybe double bottom. Bottom one, bottom two. RTY. About middle of the range. Let me look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ looks like it's getting ready to bust and go higher. So look, we have that anchor VWAP Anchor view out. We have the second deviation band at 651. So 651, I might look to put another micro trade on. Maybe. Let's see, where's SMH? Yeah, SMH up 5%. A lot of green out there. VIX, Mr. VIX, where are you at? VIX on the move back down. You're a whole lot of buying still. About to hit new session highs. See it right there. Dang it, took my target too quick. I was gonna move my target right back up to session high, but in out too quick. Did not give me a chance to move it. Here goes new session highs. Dang it. All right, we did hit that second deviation band. Screw it. I'm back in on the micro again. So here's a touch of this second deviation band. We did get a trade detector bubble up here as well. View apps all the way down here at 465. 465. It's going to be epic. Yeah, no corrections allowed. Trump, you see Trump's executive order. So we'll see. I'm already down that micro trade. Down $12. Oh, $8, $7. Can we make it back down there? Hey, I thought I saw that Iran already signed it electronically. I thought I saw that this morning. Maybe not, though. Oh, yeah, they've definitely been conditioned as markets only go up. It's a fact. Uh-oh. Microtrade is in the green. Woohoo! Let's see. View ops all the way down at 467. I don't know if I'm going to hold all the way down for that price point. Yeah, Iran assigned it. That's what I thought. We're coming on down here. Again, got another micro trade, at least at the moment. Looking good. Wait, 5-minute candles. Let's see. Can we come on down? Keep it going down. You know, we still have these ABC target, or we have these targets up here. 88, 688, and 697. We have not hit yet. It's a little bit of concern. Only 12 ducks away. Can they get it pushing down? Oh, JD Vance press conference starting at 11. What's that going to be about? Probably should at least put it on, so I can see when he's speaking. So be careful. JD Vance briefs members of the media. Briefs them about what? The deal that was just signed? I doubt he's going to move the markets nearly as much as Trump does. Not nearly. He's going back up. I was up a little bit more on that micro. Still up, but not as much. Not as much. So. Markets only go up. Didn't you guys get the memo? Markets only go up. You only place a short trade if you want to give out a donation. So if you're feeling generous, you want to help the market makers out, feed their family, hit the sell button. 700-ish, you'll take profit. Might get up there. So the range today is 564 points. And actually, I wouldn't be surprised if we make it all the way to 785-ish on the NASDAQ. Really start ripping, the upper target I'd have would be 785-ish. Hopefully it doesn't take shape, as I am short that micro, so. All but one of your trades have been short. I've been long and short today, so I haven't been overly lean one way or the other. Yeah, Vance should be speaking at 11. We'll see if he's on time, or does he make everybody wait like Trump? However, it's Trump or actually the security, or what causes it to always be so late? Color of the tie. Come on down. said I wasn't biased, but I am a little bit biased. I want to see the market go down since I am short one micro at this point. Hmm. And think about it. So what's going to be a catalyst to push the markets lower? Is it going to be Vance or nothing? We're just going to grind up. We're still trying to rip on up. Because that zone we drew out earlier, pre-market, little mice development area. We're on the edge of this distribution part of the profile. I hear the chirping back. I jumped on that a little too early. Closed it. I jumped on that a little bit too early. Chirping kind of. Well, triple witching, you have the future is expiring as well. Futures only expire once a quarter. I was watching this maybe get long again, but maybe not. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Shoot. Man, I got, that did me a solid. I hit buy up here, but my order went in down there. Jeez. Is Vance already speaking? I don't see him. Sure, hit the live button push. I mean, it's good from our micro trade. It was a little bit better a minute ago, but we got VWAP at 472. You miss Powell? I mean, I like listening to Powell speak at the press conference a little bit better, but I mean, it was only day one that we've heard him, so maybe we'll get used to it. And it won't seem so weird, but yeah, stop me out. Still not convinced that we don't want to go back up there by the highs. I closed it. Dog it. Fed chair is transitory. It needs task force to evaluate it. Yeah, that's Walsh's new name is task force. Add some more longs at 50 EMA. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Push, push, push. Push it. We have the VWAP on the ES at 53. NASDAQ, we're at 473. So it's 11:02. I still don't see JD Vance speaking. Have it pulled up. I don't see them. It says begin shortly. So, Rapid sending a report card. Hopefully it's a good one. Hopefully it's a good one. Let's see. Let's come on down. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Get on down there. Let's go get the view app, please. And thank you. Well, my volume should be off. At least looks like the volume is good for me. From what I can see on the meters moving. Joker, you're right back up. Crush channel is still sloping upward too, so not a fan. You can hear me fine? Oh, thanks for the feedback, Cody. Loud and clear. Sleep in here. Ooh. All right, quick little scalp. Didn't give me a chance to move my limit. I would have pulled it up. Did not give me a chance. Come on, just a little bit more. Come on. I think I slipped on that exit. Slipped me a little bit on the exit, but that's fine. Still green. Still off of session highs a little bit. So. Let's see. Oh, you sent it on X. Hey, Rapid, I kept refreshing my email. I didn't see it. I seen the notification on. Oh, nice. There we go. Rapid killed it today. Hey, good job on that, Rapid. Ooh, 590-ish per account. Man, good job. Man. Got a feeling it's going to be a slow grind the rest of the day. Tomorrow being the holiday. Dan still isn't speaking yet. Let's look at NVIDIA real quick. It says NVIDIA and Amazon are in talks. NVIDIA up 2.37. Amazon's trying to go up now. After we got a slow rest of the day. Let you TP so you can take a nap. That's probably gonna get there. Probably get up there. So with this low market, I think I'm going to head off today. I want to go ahead and fix the eFoil situation where I purchased, looks like 4 of them. Only 1 of them were refunded. So I want to give them a call, get that settled. We did not get the 200 likes. So therefore, there is not going to be a duck race today. Tomorrow. Yeah, hey, Rapid, I just showed everybody your report card. Good job on that. So tomorrow we will be streaming at least in the morning. So hopefully we'll get a duck race off tomorrow. So with that being said, do me a favor, smash the like button on your way out and go watch some of the videos I've recently posted. Give the channel a little bit of love because YouTube has me in the pooper. Bye. Boom.